it's JD, and if I am going to show you how to build these chord progressions in B flat. Ultimately, we'll get to a 3, 6, 2, 5, 1. All right, so I'm going to start off by showing you. I'm going to show you backwards. So first, I'm going to show you the 1 chord. Then I'm going to show you the 5 going to the 1. Then I'm going to add each chord as we go. All right, so first off, we're in B flat. All right, so our 1 chord is going to be a B flat major 7 chord. I have a 9 in there as well. All right, so left hand, B flat and F. Right hand, I'm playing A, which is the major 7. C, which is the 9th. D, major 3rd. F, the 5th. Alright, so that's my 1 chord. Alright, but to get to my 1 chord, I'm playing 5-1. Alright, my F is my 5 in the key of B flat. Alright, so the chord there I'm playing is a F, it's like an augmented chord, sharp 5 chord, sharp 5, sharp 9. Alright, so left hand I have F and F. Right hand I'm playing A, which is the 3rd, C sharp or D flat, the sharp 5, E flat is the dominant 7, and A flat or G sharp up top, which is the sharp 9. Alright? I'm walking down the A flat or the G sharp down to the F sharp or the G flat there. Alright? Then taking that to my B flat chord. Once again. Alright. Now before I play my 5 chord, I'm just following the circle, the circle of fifths. Before the 5 chord will come the 2 chord. Alright, so I have my C minor 7 chord, C minor 9 chord. Alright, I'll show you a couple of different ways you can play it. The way I'm voicing it here, so you have. Alright, so I have 2 chord, C minor 9. Left hand I have a C. Right hand I'm playing B flat, D, E flat, G. So I have that dissonance inside the chord. Alright, I can also play a E flat major chord there. So this chord, if you like this chord better, I'm playing C and B flat in my left hand. Then I'm playing E flat, F, G, B flat. Depends on the sound you want. Alright, so I'm gonna use this voicing. So we have our 2, 5, 1. 2, 5, and of course the 5 and the 1 is the same chord I've been playing. Alright, so before we play our 2 chord, we can play a 6 chord. So I can play a 6, 2, 5, 1. Alright, so my 6 in B flat is my G. So I'm going to play a G minor chord. My chord of choice here is the G minor 11 chord. All I'm doing is playing G. I should be playing F, G and F. Alright, I tend to play G and G, but I should be playing G and F. Alright, right hand I'm playing a B flat major chord. Alright, and I'm adding the 9. So I have B flat, C, D, and F. Alright, G minor 11. The 11 being the C. Alright, so I have 6, 2, 5, 1. Alright, 6, 2, 5 to my 1. Alright. Now before I play the 6 chord, I can play a 3 chord. So I have a 3, 6, 2, 5, 1. So it'll sound like this. Alright, so for that 3 chord, I'm playing the D minor 9 chord. Left hand I'm playing D. Right hand I'm playing C, E, F, and A. D minor 9. So I'm going to play from D minor 9 to my G minor 11 to my C minor 9 to my F sharp 5 sharp 9 to my 1. And so you can take that progression and you can just keep going around. 3, 6, 2, 5, 1. 3, 6, 2, 5, 1. Just keep taking it. I'll play the C minor chord. You may like that better. Alright, once again, 3, 6, 2, way up there. 5, 1. In the intro, I was kind of embellishing that 5 chord. You got several options. You can go to start on the G flat here, walk down to the F while you're on that chord, at F sharp 5 sharp 5 sharp 9 chord. So we have 3, 6, 2, 5. I like to go down and hit the lower F. 1, go back through. Alright, another option, you can go out the G, A flat to the A, hit the F, and then come hit the lower F. 3, 6, 2, something like that. Alright, so you can just kind of play with it, but the main thing is just getting those chords in your hands there. 3, 6, 2, 5, 1. Alright, so I hope they help. If you have any questions, please let me know. Thanks.